Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to fake a convincing cough, and this will be an acting tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. If you want to fake a cough and you want that fake cough to be convincing, this is the video for you, okay? I'm gonna be honest with you, I do cough quite a bit. It's kind of just, you know, it's I think a lot of it is my own fault. I don't drink enough water, you know, I put a good amount of milk and a good amount of sugar in my coffee currently, you know, and it's just my own fault, a lot of it, okay? As far as I know, nothing's wrong with me. You know, I've done enough research and I've looked into it enough that I know that as far as I'm concerned, I'm in good health and nothing's wrong with me, but I do cough a decent amount just because my throat seems a little bit irritated. But, you know, with that being said, I am a really good person to tell you what a cough sounds like because I know what mine sounds like often, okay? So basically, and I don't cough, I should say this, it does get better when I do the right things, like drink enough water, you know, don't put a lot of milk and sugar in my coffee and so on and so forth, you know, and I don't like eat like very like creamy stuff. If I like do the right things, my cough does get a lot better. But when I don't do the right things for, you know, avoiding the cough, it does get, you know, worse. But anyways, that's enough about me. Here's how you can make a convincing cough in terms of acting by faking a cough. So basically what you want to do is make sure you have air in your lungs, okay, excess air, because you're going to be letting some out. So that might mean you have to breathe in first, or it might mean you already have a lot of air, because if I breathe in and I'm talking, I still have excess air, so I can still cough like that, okay? So what you're gonna do is when you have excess air in your lungs, whether that means you breathe in first or you already have excess air in your lungs from breath that you took before, what you wanna do is you essentially wanna gather the air and you wanna hold it like this, like that. Excuse me, I do apologize. I just had some lunch recently. I had a few slices of pizza, and you know, some burps might come out, so I do apologize. I'm going to excuse myself one last time. Excuse me. And now that we got that out of the way, because I'm polite, we are moving on. So, as I said, you want to get that air and hold it there, okay? And then essentially you want to force it out like that. And the key with the fake cough that is convincing is usually you want to do more than once. That's not super convincing. That sounds a little bit fake, right? Whereas when you do it at least twice, that's more realistic, okay? You can even maybe go 3 times, like that. I wouldn't do it more than that, though. So 2 to 3 coughs, okay? In the way that I showed you, get the excess air, hold it there, and then let it out sort of rapidly, just like that. Now, you can do without the sound, without the in there. You could just go like that. And that's okay. That sounds convincing too. But for me, my regular cough involves some sound. So that sounds more realistic to what I produce. So you got to figure out what works for you. Now, it also depends on your acting scenario. Like, are you doing it where you're allowed to make some extra sounds? Because then that sounds convincing. But if you're doing it where you have to stay a little bit quieter, a little bit like lower in terms of volume, you can avoid those sounds and allow yourself to just get just the air movement, okay? But that's basically it. The steps to getting a convincing fake cough are the following. I'm going to sort of summarize it. You want to have excess air in your lungs that you can let out, okay? When you have that excess air, you want to hold it just like that and then let it out rapidly 2 to 3 times, okay? Optionally, you can use some sound or not add the sound in, okay? But that's the idea. So that's a very realistic sounding cough. I'll try and do a real one right now, like as if I was really coughing. Like that, right? So that's the key there. And obviously cover your mouth, because realistically you would be covering your mouth when you're coughing, or, you know, maybe into your shirt, that's like, or into your arm, into your sleeve, something like that. You know, that makes it even more convincing. So the more realistic that you can make it seem, the more real factors that you can bring into that fake cough, the more convincing that it will seem. So I've told you about the realistic factors of what a cough sounds like, looks like, what happens when you cough, so on and so forth. Okay, like sort of everything about a cough that is realistic. And you can take those factors and apply them to your fake cough. And if you apply them properly, you will be more convincing. You will be likely to be more convincing. And with enough practice, and enough training, you should be able to get a really convincing sounding fake cough. And it's literally that simple. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, but I've got nothing else to say, nothing else to show you. So with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.